Hello and welcome. I'm looking for a nice, happy Vic-20. I'm trying not to hurt anything while doing this. What is this? It's a good pronging one. Oh, it's a 5-prong. They're all, oh, yeah, they're all going to be that. Work, some broken keys, cost reduced, a bit dirty. Well, there's always the possibility that this will work. Now, this will mean other things need to be done here. Actually, this 64 can move. It can. Now, somewhere in the midst of all this glorious stuff is the cable. There it is. That comes from the back here. Okay. Excuse me. Oh! Because first I have monitors here turned off. I've got to get at them with this thing. And they take a little while to come alive. But what I have here is well worth testing. Okay, so that's up. Let's turn this on. Okay, so we indeed have a Vic-20 that is up. Now, how do so many cords get so wrapped up together? I'll never know. Okay, now, also, down here, in the midst of things, I know, somewhere, oh my golly, I have an avalanche trying to happen somewhere down here. Aha, there's something. Oh, it's a Vic-20 diagnostic cartridge. That is not what I'm after. But it could be that not far from there in this thing could be what I'm looking for. Omega race. Okay. Good. What a mess. 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 Mess. So we'll put this in, and up should come Omega race. Now there are some notes on the bottom. Not working 100%. That is not exactly what I wanted to see. Okay, but let's try. I can't see. Yeah, this is not great. Boom. Yeah, this is not great with this pet here. Okay, well, you know what? I guess, oh, well, I could have. Well, it seems pretty okay. All right, can we turn? Can we turn? We're gonna die. There we go. Ooh. I can't see where I am. I can't see. I'm dead. All right, well, basically, we spin, We go forward. We die. So it seems to be okay. Boom, I'm dead. Not working 100%. Well, it seems okay. It seems with Omega Race. Seems okay. So I'll write something else on the tape. A little question mark, not a question mark, a check mark, my initials. And then I'll grab something else. See if I can get this one undone. Oh, there's a power cord. Oh, everything is wrapped up in it. Yes, this is... There comes a time to wrap cables. But then if you put them in tape, well, that gets sticky. Put them in rubber bands, they decay. Maybe. Okay, so F1. Once again. Oh, okay, stick. Okay, the stick does not seem to shoot. Boom. Okay. Alright, well, we're going to put it on stick. We're going to hit it some more. Nope. But the bottom, the base, does. And we're going to die again. Excellent. Okay. This time we're going to go this way. Going to fly across the screen. We're slowing down a bit. Oh no. And we're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die. Okay, but do we spin? Do we spin? We do. Boom. We're dead. Or at least I can see over here. Ooh. Now we're cooking with gas. But indeed, the stick does not fire. Game over. Okay. Oops. Stick. Button. Bad. Okay. So we can pull that out. Set it over here. This one is handy and it looks like it's maybe ready. What does this say? Nothing. It says nothing. Okay, so this just has the top button. Do we spin? Do we spin? We spin. And we die. Beautiful. Oh, right between them all. Let's get that mine. And then we'll head over there and not get that. It's gonna go crazy. We're gonna die. We died. Okay. But we're going to the next level. Alright, we spin. We're going down. How could I miss? Oh my golly. Come on, there we go. Boom. Oh no, we did not. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Okay. So this one is definitely okay. Boom. Game over? Game over. Okay. So. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Alright, since this one is perfectly okay, I think I'm going to put it over there. And then we come to the last one that is wrapped up with this power cable. And it has nothing written on the bottom. It has nothing. Alright. Oh boy, that's a tight squeeze. Okay. Oh, right. If you are on the stick. Oh, come on. So if you're not on the stick will not fire. This one feels wonky. Like it goes round and round, but it feels wonky. I don't know what that means even. Okay. I think what this means is, oh, go to the stick. Okay, the stick works. Where'd you go? Boom. You know what? Alright, let's do that again. Are we spinning? We're spinning. But it feels like the inside is like kind of worn out. Yeah, it's not like it works, but it's not as responsive and undoing as it should be. So I think it's kind of worn out. Now it may be. Now what's up? I'm not shooting. Oh, that's weird. Alright, the base. No. The stick. Nope. Okay, now things are not working. No, something here is not right. It's just not right. It's gonna go wild. I mean, it works, but it's not okay. It's just not okay. Oh. See, yeah. See, now it's just spinning. And the fire button go. All right. Work. But worn out. It may be that with some other stuff. Like I think I have another one of these. And maybe there's something that could make it okay. So basically, 1 out of 3 is okay. It is 1 out of 3. Now, it's funny because when I had this mostly kind of cleared out. Oh, there we have it. There is a joystick. This is a beautiful thing. Let's go for one more round, make sure how this performs. Once again, you know what? I can't see what I'm doing because there's a pet here. Boom. Well, you know what? With this pet here, there's no way it's going to go well. It's just not. Of course, I can go forward. And I can shoot. And I can go back. And I can die. I could have done something, but I can die. Alright, can we get the mine? Yes, we can. I want to come up over on this side, though. Please don't put me on the other side. I'm on the other side. Okay, fine. Oh. Death. Game over. Anyway, this is a fine joystick. So, oh yeah, this one works. I can go over where the power supplies are. And these ones, right, they have issues. They do. Button works, but worn out. Yeah, it's like it's got no. It may be easily correctable. I don't know. And this one, the upper button doesn't. What is that? Is that because something has come undone inside, or is it really ruined? I don't know. I just don't know. Do I want to find out? Maybe. Maybe next time. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley, I'm your host. Bye for now.